today I'm gonna be creating this look right here. It's like a Foxy smoky eye. I seen it from this other YouTuber, but I'm recreating this look. Yeah, so if you guys want to get this look, keep on watching. But like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and let me know what you guys want to see or whatever, and my social media is down below, and I'll link some of my other videos. Go check that out. Check out my updated tutorial on my eyebrows that I just did today. I'll leave it up here or down in the description box below, the link to that. But this is a Foxy eye that I just, it's like a dewy kind of smoky eye liner, Foxy eye look. And these eyelashes are from Wish, so you want to see how I get this look, then just keep on watching. But also, if you do subscribe to my channel, make sure you comment down below that you subscribe to my channel so I can give you a shout out on my next video. I'll post up to 4 or 5 people depending on how many people subscribe to my channel, and I'll shout you out so that way you guys can follow each other. If you have a YouTube channel, also leave it down below. Subscribe to my channel, so click that little bell so that way you guys can get notified whenever I upload a video. And so you guys want to get this look right here, then just keep on watching. Always use this palette is because 1, you got your colors, 2, you got neutrals, 3, you got like in between colors, like smoky kind of colors, like you got this like brown, you got your browns, and then you got like your black, you have your white, then you have more like nudes here, and like that, and a little bit like this, just like this. Blend that out. So this is up close how it looks like. It's not perfect, but it looks cute. So now that I put mascara on, this is how I look like. And these are the lashes from Wish. I'm gonna use them. So I put some of the Duo Glue on, my go-to. I love that glue. Is the final look to this video. This is how it looks like. So I just want to say thank you for people that do watch me. I highly appreciate it. Every person that actually clicks on my video and watches me, you are highly appreciated. For watching my videos, either if it's hair tutorials or not. Just want to thank you guys for watching my videos and being there and supporting my channel. But yeah, so just want to thank you guys, and you guys are highly appreciated. Sorry, this right here, but it's not crooked, it's just like when I talk it moves because it's so big. I have to change it. But yeah, you guys are highly appreciated. Like I said, thank you for even making it to the end of this video, and stay blessed, stay careful, stay COVID free, and yeah, stay tuned. Bye.